This is known as the impossible nail trick, in this case the impossible screw trick. I'm going to show you how it's done without breaking any of the wood and without using any glue. I started with a scrap piece of wood that measures about 1.5 inches by 1 inch, and I measured 6 lines about 1/2 inch apart. Then I found center and cut out 3 half flaps. Stuck one end in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Put it in my vise, squeezed it real tight. After about an hour, I drilled my hole for the screw. Put the screw in place. And put it back in boiling water for another 10 minutes. And it steamed itself right back in place. Once it was dry, I cleaned it up with the sander. And that's all there is to it. The impossible screw trick made possible.